Hello guys, and welcome back into my brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to close your Robinhood account. Make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you need to do is just to go to your account or Robinhood account. And here, I'm just going to follow this Robinhood sports article to learn more about sports. And basically, there are things that you need to make sure about so you can be able to successfully close your account. So basically, you will need to store, sell, or close all your positions in Robinhood and make sure that you have no pending deposits or no upcoming dividends or some upcoming uh, cash sweep or income, etc., etc. And make sure also you have no negative balance or no restriction on your account. So you will just to make sure that everything is set up to close your account. After that, you will be able to start the process of closing your account. And of course, you will have many accounts for your Robinhood, and it's going to be a huge difference or a big difference as well. So basically, after that, you will need to go to your account, and then you will go to settings so you can deactivate the account. Basically, here in Robinhood, you will need just to go to the account, and from here, you will find settings. So basically in the setting, you can just go down and simply the last choice that you will find would be deactivate my account. By clicking on deactivate my account, you will need just to enter your password as a security measure or as a confirmation method. And basically after that, you will select the account that you will close and basically you re-enter your password, etc. And you confirm that you have zero balance, etc. and confirm the activation process. And basically by that, you will be able to create your account. Thank you for watching and see you next time.